What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skatepark Check-In. I'm Vincent Basile from Rad Boardsport Co. As always, I have my man Anthony behind the lens.
Where are we at today?
Wait, what park are we at? Today we are at CALLAHAN-KELLY Skatepark in Brooklyn, New York. Episode 45, back in New York City. This park is new. It just finished getting built, and today we brought ASHTON HILLIKER and Matt WEITMAN. With that being said, let's take a look at the new skate park. Come on. First off, we got this very smooth quarter pipe. Very good for learning new tricks, good for beginners. It looks like a very good quarter pipe.
Wait a minute. What's going on here? Hey everyone, what's up? I am your host, ASHTON HILLIKER. No, that's ASHTON HILLIKER. I'm Vincent Basile. Today we brought Matt WEITMAN and MAME coming through to check out the brand new CALLAHAN-KELLY skate park right here in Brooklyn, New York City. Episode 45. Let's get it. You fraud. Guys, this is the smallest park. Brand new, everything's concrete. You got the Broadway Junction train station right here. This little box right against the fence. Perfect size. Check the centerpiece. This sweet circular manual pad. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful manual pad, right?
Yeah,
right?
You can come at it at any angle.
Right? Right. All right, guys, a fun box manual pad, like a little outlet that's connected to this
It's like a spine, but it's a...
spine. It's a good word for it.
It's a spine, but with like a curb on top.
Yeah, that's different. Transition section right here. That's more like of a big bank, almost like a wall ride. It's got coping right on top, almost like a mini ramp. Dude, like honestly, that's like the whole park. Like there's that section, you got a bank, kind of cut up a little bit, nice extension on the top. And then this feature is different. You have like this little kicker, like this fly out. And then I also was saying there's flat ground. Like I guess games of skate are definitely going down here. Super smooth and out of the way. That is the whole park. We thought we were at a New York City. I love how the new skate parks are just popping up everywhere. Let's get up in here, get some clips. Is that what I heard?
Yeah.
It cracked.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I got a problem. I cracked my deck. I'm gonna skate it backwards, or you know, I'm gonna see what I could do without changing it out. I have boards, but I'm gonna make this board last the session. I have to change my mind state of tricks now. It's raining out, just to let you guys know. But the sun is out.
The sun shower.
Sun shower.
That ain't gonna raid on upper raid.
No way, Jose.
Okay, ground report here.
Hey, ground report. What's up? The ground is pretty sick. 2 stops away from where I live.
Smooth, wait, come back to me.
The ground is like so smooth.
How smooth is it?
Really smooth.
It's as like smooth as velvet, but it's not velvet.
The ground is like silky smooth. Smoother than funfetti frosting on a funfetti birthday cake.
Smoother than a chocolate fountain.
In conclusion, we got a smooth ass ground. Broken board is still holding on. It slides! Thank you everyone for watching the Callahan-Kelly Skate Park, episode 45 in New York City, right here in Brooklyn. Just want to shout out to MAME.
Place is dope. Dope. Pull up. I'm the only one who wore the shirt. See, I'm truly repping.
Yeah, well, me too. So,
Oh, okay.
shout out to Matt Whiteman and Ashton HILLIKER. Thank you guys for watching. We do it for you. If it wasn't for you, we would not be making these videos.
Let's
Check
get
out.
to 1 million views
Tell them, Ashton.
and 2 million likes.
How many subscribers?
15 million.
Done.
All right.
All right.
Help us get to 100,000 subscribers. Right now we're at 1,300.
Dream big.
Shout out to Cool Breeze. Shout out to Best Life Ever.
No, that's
Look at his little spaghetti noodle.
Shout out to Best Life Ever. Check us out on social media at Rad Boardsport, at Rad Boardsport Co. Check out our website at www.radboardsport.co. And whatever you guys want to say.
Ashton_skates23.
NYC.L.I.MW.
I'm period N period echo. If you want some lessons at ANANSI Skate Life. I'm in Brooklyn, Manhattan, Upper West Side.
Shout out to N.Y.C. for continuing to build rad skate parks across the boroughs. So thanks for watching again, and please do not forget to
Ride all day. Smooth like Vinny's head.
Ah, we did that already.